Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the multiplication formula in Excel. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you access Excel, or where can you get Excel? You can get it on Microsoft. So just launch your Microsoft Store and type in Excel and follow through with the on-screen prompt to download the Excel application. After downloading the Excel application, or the Excel application is going to take you right into this fantastic window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to use the multiplication formula in Excel. So over here, let me just take you right to home. I'm going to use this particular segment of this sheet. That's from the O column to the Q column. All right, so I have this in the A column. I have 1064, and I have this number. In the B column, I have this number as well. And in the Q column, this is where I want to multiply things on. So this is 10. I want to multiply this 10 times 2. Now, instead of using my calculator, Excel is literally going to help me calculate this, and it's just very, very amazing. So I'm going to click on the cell that needs this calculation, which is the Q cell, the Q column. So after clicking on this, that's the Q, what's it going to be now? The Q3 cell. So I'm going to click on that and type equal. So I'm going to punch equal. So once you punch equal, you give Excel the idea that you want to enter a particular feature, or you want to enter a particular command, and you want them to help you out with the command automatically. All right, so equals, and this is going to be Q3. So I want to multiply let's say O3 times P3. So that's going to be O3 equals O3. So that has been highlighted. And times, that's the multiplication sign in Excel, is the asterisk. So go ahead and look for the asterisk. So I'm going to add asterisk in here. O3 asterisk P3, and punch the enter button. You see that has worked. So indeed 10 times 2 is 20. Okay, so now you might be tempted to repeat the same process manually for each of the data that you have. Let's say 64 times 8. You may want to use the same process. P3, oh, this is going to be P4 now. You can say O4 equals O4 asterisk P4, and to get the same amount. But Excel says, come on, I'm really going to help you. There's another chill way to get that done. You don't have to do that manually again. After doing that for the first cell, you don't have to do it manually again. Here's what you do. So from the first cell, you're going to hold that down, and you see this box, this little box that is at the bottom right corner of this cell. So you're going to hold on to that box until the plus icon shows, and you're going to drag it down to the cell that you want to be multiplied, and leave it. So that's it. Now the rest is going to be multiplied. So once you drag it down, you already let Excel know that whatever I did in the first cell, I want you to replicate the same thing for other cells. And Excel is going to say, yes, I respect your command. So that's pretty much the process. Now we can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.